coins are really mean. Oh my god. I just said the coins are mean and I take that back. I just said those coins are mean. I take it back. Oh, 75. Wowzers. $7,500 million up there. That's big. Alright, ladies and gents, we have moved all the way from over there-ish area to over here. The beautiful new Buffalo Stampede, and we are bringing our ticket over from before. Let's run it up together. Where's the volume? Excuse me. Oh, okay. We want to holy bejesus, it's loud. Oh, I'm on 5 cents. Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize we're on 5 cents start. Which is fine. How much was I even betting? I was betting a lot. I didn't even realize what I was betting. We're on 5 cents. Okay. It almost worked out. I wouldn't have minded if it worked out, right? Oh? No. Come on. No. Come on. I asked really nicely too. Oh? No. I'm asking pretty nicely. We're seeing a lot of green guys over here. How much were you betting? Two? Was I betting? I was betting $10 a credit on the last one. Wow. All right, I didn't even notice it. Oh, come on. What the heck? They started running really fast towards me and then they stopped. I feel like a bonus is gonna pop off here, but Buffalo. That was almost something good. Oh, come on. You can do it. That bonus meters came up quite a bit, but you can just pop at any time, right? That's, I'm pretty sure. Let me know in the comments. You can pop at any time. No bueno. I mean, we're getting a lot of these beautiful green color symbols. Oh, come on. No. What's the minor? Minor's 50 bucks. So that would have been appreciated, but it didn't happen, so we can't talk about it. Oh, mini is $1 million, so oh. What just happened? Okay. A lot of noise for nothing. Thank you. Oh. A lot of aces for something. Okay. Oh, what the heck? It didn't even give me a sweat. It was just like 1 millisecond. I didn't even hit the button. And it just like, bam. No, you can't. You can't sweat. No. That was super funny. I didn't even push anything. I like these Buffalo. I appreciate them. Well done. Get here. That coin just like smacked down out of nowhere and then just disappeared. It's like, nope, you don't get it. Let me just pull the band-aid off. Bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. Y'all think we'll pop this thing before it's time to eat dinner? Kind of just stopped by on a whim before it was dinner time, so not getting any more fun ones in here. Oh, come on, you can do it. Come on, pretty please. Oh, it goes so fast, so it's not just it's the mechanic of the game. It just goes super fast. That's kind of interesting. It doesn't even let you sweat it. There's our coin. Getting no more green ones. do 10 rapid fire. 10 rapid fire. Oh. A lot of song and dance. A lot of buffaloes. I actually like the soundtrack on this game a lot. Better than all the other ones. Oops, stop that quickly. Buffalo. Pop it. Stampede meter, come on. So I can just pop at any time, but I don't know. Pop, pop, pop. I'm just trying to do like small bet, big wins tonight. That's the goal of the night. Small bets are happening, random bets are happening, except we were doing $20 bets in the beginning, but the big wins aren't cooperating as much. That's the funny thing. Whoops. Stop that. Okay, come on. No. We're getting a lot of beautiful green ones. I'm getting some buffaloes. Oh, no. Man, I don't know. This is very smart mechanics by Aristocrat here. It really makes you think that you're about to hit it, but it can stay at full for the whole time, right? And you just don't hit it. It can stay full and then you're just like feeding it, but it doesn't matter if it's just like those triple pop games. It just looks so much more fun though. 99999. Oh, we're down to 2 bets left. Okay. I might have to reload here. Okay. Well, I might actually go eat and I'll come back to this game a little bit later tonight. But we tried a couple games, small bets to a grand jackpot. Still be on that quest, but we will be back. All right, Mr. Buffalo, we're back. We're ready to make glorious things happen. Let's go. Okay. Some cute little ones. Okay, there's nothing up there, but you can still drop something big down here. Come on. Okay, we're hoping for some things, okay? We're hoping for some beautiful green. Okay. There's really nothing. Where's that? The mini is the next one. It's the 3 for 20 bucks. That mini over there. Okay. Mini party. Mini party. The coin does us no good. Come on, green. Green. Okay. 6 spins at the buzzer. That's actually pretty funny. Okay. We like it. Drop some of these big ones, I don't mind. There's 1,500 at the very top, so. Oh, it's cool the coin actually stays. I didn't know that. Oh no, it doesn't. My bad. I thought it stayed last time, didn't it? All right, we got a mini party going on. Let's go. What's next? 250. Okay, we're gonna need like multiple to drop at one time, please. Can we get multiple to drop at one time? Okay. Get multiple to drop at one time. We popped the feature at least. We were trying for that feature, we got it, and that was gloriousness. A lot of cute baby ones, so we want some bigger ones, please. Please. Can we make it to the top? Just fill the whole thing up, why not? It's beautiful, it's green. Beautiful color. This bonus round is a lot of fun though. I will admit it. Coin. Drop the major in. I wouldn't be too mad if the major came in right now. Okay, okay. One more, right? Okay, we got that. All right, we got up there. That's pretty. Okay, we made it to the top. I feel like like on Mario Brothers, when we get to Bowser, the last level, we did it. We went to the top. Now everything else is gravy. Don't stop now. Don't stop. Those coins are really mean. Oh my god. I just said the coins are mean and I take that back. I just said those coins are mean. I take it back. Oh, 75. Wowzers. $7,500 million up there. That's big. There's 2 cents too, so. We appreciate those coins. Look what they gave us. Drop the major, please. I don't want to be too greedy, but I'll be a little bit greedy. Come on. We're on a team together, Buffalo. Come on. We're on the team together. Don't drop that huge one and say goodnight. Don't drop that huge one and say goodnight. Come on. Okay. We'll say goodnight, I guess. But we appreciate it. It was fun. It was nice to get that bonus round. Actually popping that Stampede meter was super satisfying. I think getting to the top of it was also satisfying, so we'll take it. 69.99, 76, 75 million. Oh, that's a lot. That's more than I thought. Okay, okay. We appreciate it. Okay. Forgot how to do math for a second, guys. I do apologize, but that was amazing. Thank you, Buffalo. We'll see you next time.